Welcome back to Once Upon a Tiny Farm. Today we're gonna tell you how to do a farmer's market with 2 kids.
Hey, you got it. All right. You got my face.
You could have been there.
Yeah.
That hurt Dad. Never go back and stay. You're gonna be there.
So my 9-month-old son is taking a nap in the car. We just got back from doing groceries. Tomorrow's our market, and I am washing as many carrots as I can before tomorrow's farmer's market. I have very limited time when caring for 2 children and trying to do the best I can with the limited time I have before tomorrow's market. So let's see how much we can get done for tomorrow.
Right to you.
Yeah. Hey, you got it.
Ready to see my brother Matthew? He's sleeping in the car. He's right there. Our car is a mess. We need to clean up. Right now we're at the cooler fridge that goes outside right here. See? And I call a butterfly. So, yeah, my dad harvests the lettuce, but right before the market, and he keeps it in the cooler to be fresh and cool. Right now I am sitting on the porch stairs in the shade. My brother is sleeping. I don't know when he's gonna wake up. If you see my cup behind me, I was drinking some milk. Right here is our fig tree. The one in the big pot looks sad. Needs more water, I guess. Here is all the lettuce.
We gotta plant that for the fall, right?
These plants are gonna go in the ground for the fall. I wanna live better, Dad. Never go back and stay. You could have been there. You could have been there. Yeah.
Good job, guys. What are these, Maddie? What is that? Carrot? No, this is for the market. This is for the market tomorrow.
Oh.
You got my face. Can I have that? Can I have that? Thanks.
That was silly.
I know. Hey. Stop. 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 All right. It's about 7 a.m. We're loading the car up with children and food for the market. And we're gonna load up the car and head on out. Where are we going?
We're going to the market.
Okay. I'm just loading up the cooler. Lots of carrots.
Tell them how much you have.
How many carrots?
Yeah, how much
I think I have about 35 pounds of carrots that I'm bringing to the market today. The most that I've ever sold is 37 pounds of carrots. So I'm hoping, because today's Friday, everybody will be really hungry for fresh harvested carrots. Hey, we're here, we're all set up, and we're just waiting We have about a half hour till the market starts.
We sell a lot of carrots and a lot of spring onions.
That's good.
And Dad is trying to put Matthew to sleep, and he's always a butt.
Well, we sold half of our carrots. All of our lettuce is gone. Just have a little kale left. We're doing good, right? And where's Matthew?
Matthew is sleeping.
Awesome. All that's left. 4 little bags. So we're back home. We made it. We finished the market. How do you feel? Tired. All right, so we're home from the market. It was a very hot day, but Matthew here did a really good job. He was a very good boy. And I realize it's not just hard doing a market with 2 kids. Is hard, but it's also hard to remember to pick up the camera and film stuff. I meant to film a little bit more of the action today, but I didn't get to do that. I forgot, so whatever footage we have is what we have, but this is hard. It's hard, like, just getting to the market and bringing food, growing food, bringing it to market, figuring out how everything works, how to grow stuff, how to sell stuff is hard. And it's another level of hard doing it with kids, especially young kids, but I have to say my daughter Lucy was super helpful today, and I wish I got some video of her working our cash register because she is 4 years old and she's making change like it's no big deal. She knows how to do it. And Matthew was a very good boy today too. So the point of this video is, even though things are hard, if you really want something bad enough, I think you just have to do it. And maybe one day my kids will look back on these videos and tell me I'm crazy for doing the market with them. I don't know, but it'll just be a good memory of what we were doing when they were kids. So that's going to wrap up this video on how we do a market with 2 kids. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.